combustion is the process of burning fuel to generate heat or energy for various industrial applications. It is widely used in power plants, manufacturing, and chemical processing. The process typically involves three main components: fuel, oxygen, and ignition source. Common fuel include natural gas, coal, and oil. White oxygen comes from the air. The fuel combusts. It undergoes a chemical reaction with oxygen, producing heat, carbon dioxide, CO2, and water vapor. This heat is then used to power machinery, generate electricity, or provide high temperatures for industrial processes like metal smelting, cement production. Efficient combustion is crucial because it affects energy output and environmental impact. However, industrial combustion also has pollutants drawbacks. It releases such as CO2, nitrogen oxides NOx, and sulfur oxides COX, which contribute to air pollution and climate change. To reduce environmental harm, industries are adapting as using low emission fuels efficiency and developing carbon capture methods. In summary, industrial combustion industries role in modern industries, providing essential energy while also posing environmental challenges. Advancements in technology aim to balance every needs with sustainability for a cleaner future.